As the Chinese proverb goes, picking persimmons on Shuangjiang. Today, let's follow the camera of Xinhua News Agency to pick persimmons and eat them. Let's go! Shuangjiang, as its name implies, water vapor condenses into frost. It means the weather is gradually getting colder, and this is the last solar term of autumn. In some northern areas of China, winter is coming, and in the south of China, it's getting cool. Look, the persimmons are already ripe. They look like small lanterns hanging on the tree. Persimmons are really sweet and juicy. There are also other traditions on Shuangjiang, such as enjoying chrysanthemums, eating beef, and climbing mountains. Let's eat a persimmon and get good luck, just like a saying, 事事如意，心想事成.